Hey guys, this is Justin from nextbigtrade.com. First of all, I want to wish everyone out there a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I want to give a brief market update. Obviously, we're in the middle of a market meltdown right now. You might be asking yourself, why is this happening? I want to tell you that the why question is the most irrelevant question when it comes to understanding the markets. Basically, what's happening is that there's financial institutions all over the world dumping positions right now. They could be doing that for fundamental, technical, or other reasons, and it really doesn't matter, and it's impossible for you to figure that out. The most important question is the what question. What's going on right now, and what actions can you take to deal with the markets? The system that I use to trade the markets is called stage analysis. It was developed by Stan Weinstein, and if you follow my work, we've been talking about a market since October, early October, that's been under pressure. In a video I did back in early October, I talked about raising cash and getting more defensive because I saw a lot of leading stocks start succumbing to selling pressure. And what's really happened since then is that the markets, after a couple brief bounces, has just succumbed to more selling pressure, and we've seen this big collapse below the 2600 level in the S&P 500 over the past week or so. I identified the level 2800 to 2600 as kind of a stage 3 topping zone, and then what's really happened is we've just dumped through that, and now we're in a stage 4 decline. So what do I think is going to happen going forward? Basically, we're going to get a stock market bounce some point here, but the most important thing is that we're still going to be in a stage 4 decline even after a bounce. So what I'm going to look for is, from a bullish perspective, is that the market's going to have to base for a while and break back out to getting back into stage 2. But after a bounce, there's a really good chance that we could just roll over again and make another new low into 2019. So the market's still very dangerous right now, and I'm being very defensive. And really the only sector that I'm looking at right now currently is the gold sector, because gold's starting to break out of a stage 1 base into stage 2, and the GDX and GLD ETFs are both taking good volume over the past few days, and they're both looking like they could be, breaking out into a new uptrend. So I'm going to be talking about gold more in the near term on my website at nextbigtrade.com. Again, hopefully everyone's had a great year. I appreciate all the support on my website. I've got a lot of donations and a lot of good feedback from people all over the world, and it really means a lot to me. So thanks again. If you want to learn more about my stage analysis system, definitely read Stan Weinstein's book and check out my website at nextbigtrade.com, and we will be talking about the markets more into the new year.